Hey, it's Kerry. Lots of fun on the farm today and more new horses. Can you tell me how many baby bunnies there are in today's video? Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. Today, all my animals are from Schleich. The rabbits, and we have a little piglet trying to escape. My first horse is the English thoroughbred, which was bred for racing. It is said that no other horse breed can beat the thoroughbred in speed and distance at the same time. This amazing model is from the Schleich Horse Club range. It comes with a blanket, a leading rope, some food and apples, and there it is with the coat on. Next up is the Pintabian family. This is the stallion. It is an American part Arabian horse breed. It has over 99% Arabian blood and also has the Tobiana colour pattern. And here's the mare. She's beautiful. Pintabians have a small muzzle with large nostrils and big wide-set eyes. And here's the foal. I know the two Sarahs are going to want to feed the foal. I'm going to load them into the horse box and bring them in on the back of the pickup truck. First of all, we have the Pintabian mare and the English thoroughbred. And some more of the Pintabian family. The foal gets a carrot and a bit of a pat at the same time. Sarah wants a kiss. Matt brings in some nice fresh fruit and vegetables for the adult horses. Claire cares for the horses. She loves to brush their coats and keep them looking nice and shiny. We have two bulls arriving, the Texas Longhorn and the Black Bull. And here is the Texas Longhorn calf and cow. Sarah feeds the young calf. I'm going to winch some hay down from the loft. A big bale of hay is also brought in on the tractor. And here comes some more animals. Two roosters, a rabbit, another rabbit, 3 baby bunnies, 3 kittens, and a cat. We don't need an alarm clock around here. The rabbit hutch. I'm going to feed the rabbits next. The 3 baby bunnies get some extra carrots. I'm going to place the kittens here so I can keep an eye on them. And I know exactly where the cat wants to go. Up on the balcony to keep an eye over the whole place. The pigs are coming next. There are 3 adult pigs and 1 little piglet. That's a pot-bellied pig, the dark one. Sarah wants to feed the piglet. She's got her dog there with her as well. Her dog is Amber. Amber also wants a cuddle. The pigs are having a bit of a dust bath in the sand pit. And Matt's going to bring in some food for the pigs. The little piglet is mischievous and decides to get out. It can see some nice vegetables down in the garden. Amber's soon on the job. And Sarah and the farmer David come up very quickly. She gives Amber a hug and the farmer gently puts the piglet back. Amber's going to stay on duty all night and Sarah throws her a bone. Lots of visitors to the farm today. Everyone loves to see the animals and learn about them. The horses are very popular. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my video with your friends. See you again soon.